So, good afternoon, students. Today I'll discuss you exercise number 4.2. What is the question asks? Question asks find the cube root of the following number by the prime factorization method. Okay. By the prime factorization method, already you know that prime factorization method I am not discuss again because several times I have discussed in the first chapter that you can do the factorization of the whole part and you can get the answer from there. Suppose 1 over 1, 2, 1, 6, 7. So whatever way you can do the calculation, so already you can do the factorization from there and you can get the answer. You can start to do in home. Then easily you can understand in which way you can solve the all problem from there. So I'll not discuss everything from there because I don't want to waste wastage of my time from there. So So you do the one the way, you can do the factor will be 23. You can go to the what? If I do the 629. Again do that 23. So cube root of the figure 12167, whatever you can get it, 23 into 23 into 23 3 times. So your answer will be 23. From there you can get the answer 23. Clear to all of you? Okay. So in this way you can solve that problem. I don't waste of time. I just to go to the exercise question number 2.1. What is question number 2.1? Suppose if I discuss the question number 2.1, 2.3, 2.3, 4 whole number 17 by 27. So your first work is what? First work. Your first work is what? Your first work is multiply this part and then addition of that part. Okay. So everybody can do the cube root of this following figure. If you can do the cube root of the following figure, 125 by 27. By orally you are able to do that. 5 into 5 into 5, 3 into 3 into 3. So 5 by 3, 1 whole number 2 by 3. It will be your answer. This will be your answer, 1 whole number 2 by 3. Yeah. So in this way you can solve the all problem from there. Now I'll discuss the another math. That is the 382. Suppose if I discuss the question number 382. What is given? Minus 1331 into 3375. Now see, 11 into 11 into 11, you can get this minus 1331. Clear? And if you can do the factorization of the 3375, you can do it what? Do the factor, you can get this answer. 3. Okay. So whenever minus in the cube, so first you keep the minus in outside. Clear? You can keep it where? Outside. So now, these 3 you can get 111, these 3 you can get 13, these 3 you can get 15. Answer will be minus 162. This will be your answer. Clear? So in this way you can solve this problem. Another, suppose if I do the 4 এর 1, 4 এর 1, so whatever there, छोटा 0. Okay, this 60 be there. So what is the question asks? Cube root. This. So now 3375 means from there we can understood it. 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 5 by 60, that means 00, 00 and 00. So whatever you can get it, from these 3 you can get 3, this 5 you can get 5 by 100. So group of the 3 you can adjust the group of the 3 you can adjust what? Group of the 3 you can adjust the number. So 15 by 100. So answer will be 0.15. This will be your answer. I think I am clear to all of you. Okay. Next time discuss the last math, that is the question number 5. So cube root of 27, cube root of 0.008, cube root of 0.064. Three 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.4, 0.4, this 0.4. Just you do the factorize of this part, you can get this answer. Okay. So whenever, suppose that, how can you get the factorize answer? 27. 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. 8. 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8. 64. 4 4 are 16, 16 4 are 64. So in this way, if you can do the calculation, then easy. Then you see that part, there are the 3 place after the point. So one can make the 1 point. 3 place after the point, the 1 place, 1 place, 1 place. Because orally, whenever you can do the calculation orally, you can get the more quickly you can do the math. So these 3 you can get only 1 3. Here you can get the 0.2. Here you can get the 0.4. So next your answer will be 3.6. This will be your answer. So in this way, if you can solve this problem, then you can get the answer from there. Orally you can do the calculation, more calculation you can do it perfectly, then you can do the calculation swiftly. Last one math. Suppose question number 6. What is the question number 6 asks? If the question 6561, you can do the question number 6, multiply this number by what is number to product, make it perfect cube. So whenever you can do the factor 3 here, another 3 here, again so how many 3 you can get it? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8. this is group of 3, this is group of 3, but this is group of 2. So already you know that to make it perfect cube, you have required to make the group of 3. So as a result, so whenever you can require to group of 3, so you can get, whenever you can multiply this figure with this 3, whenever multiply this figure with this 3, then you can get this is the perfect cube. Clear? So this will be answer. Question asks, what is the, so the multiply the number, what is number? So your answer will be 3. 3 will be your answer. Clear? Okay. So today up to this. Next day I can discuss after that. Goodbye to all of you.